Right, hello. I'm just reading some rather stupid comments from a Calvinist. Sharpening Iron podcast. Don't know if you can see that a set of two lists that I typed out. I'll put it on screen now so that you can see it better. I have been using it recently quite a bit. There, so you can get a better read. It's on my community tab on my channel anyway, so go check it out. So I've tagged quite a few people in it. Calvinists are so desperate, And I've got some comments here. Let's have a look. I don't know if he's responded to my last comment. He says, well, I'll just show you who he is actually, so you know which nut job it is. This is the guy that was backstabbing Kevin's biblical discussions on who I can't remember. Oh yes, I remember what channel that was on. That was on Sola Scriptura 21. I'm tempted to go there now just to prove that. Let's see if I can find that garbage. Oh, there it is. Recently, you know who? Iron sharpens iron. Is this the one? Oh, he's had another one. Oh, that was 3 weeks ago. Oh, let's have a look. Live. Yeah, I think that might be the one.
They are based on, because what evangelists are referring to.
Oh, no, it was just him blabbering. I can't remember what channel it was now. What? Sorry, not what channel, what video? That one. Oh, okay. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I recorded it on not this last stream that I did, finished about an hour ago. The one prior to that, I've recorded him doing it. I'm sure Kevin's biblical discussion is aware of it. This guy is poison. People are falling for it. People like Josh Music, Kevin's biblical discussion, unfortunately, keeps referring to him as brother, this, that, and the other. That's up to him. I'm not complaining. But this guy is a deceiver. He's trying to blend Calvinism and Christianity. He's trying to make them sound as though they're the same. They're not. And he will come out with a silly giggle, Let's conveniently not ignore how the majority, if not every, of the KJV translators were Calvinists. Well, that's absolutely rubbish. They were all Church of England, as far as I know. Rubbish. Leave the cretinism of Calvitardianity. Get saved. Rubbish. This is indisputable. Does it prove Calvinism? No, but to pretend they weren't Calvinistic in majority is just dishonest history. Well, you were a liar. You were a liar. If the Calvinists did do the translation for King James, we'd end up with an ESV. As usual, you were a liar and a deceiver. Oh, I forgot to put a word in there. Why did I miss that? I thought I'd type that in. Shows you, doesn't it? I can make mistakes. If they were all Calvitards, we would have ended up with the ESV, you silly person. I'll just save that. Calvitards are so desperate. They are desperate. It is you and your backbiting colleagues that are attempting to rewrite history. I heard you and Ryan ridiculing Kevin's biblical discussions, you two-faced liar. Beg your pardon. The Calvinist is not interested in truth or facts. Can't pin that comment because it's in response to this clown here. Thumb down, thumb down. Normally I would, yeah, I'll just see if he's made any more comments. No, he hasn't. No, there were no Calvinists during the KJV. That is absolute tosh. It's about the. I mean, it's similar. It's a similar lie to the Calvinists say, you know, like Sky Out saying that King James was a sodomite. He wasn't. It's a Catholic lie, and I say Calvinism is basically Catholic. As far as I'm concerned, if you trust or listen too much to that John Myers Sharpening Iron so-called podcast, you're going to be deceived. He's going to suck you in. He's going to try and suck you in. It really is. Now, where was that video? Where he's in there with Ryan, slagging off Kevin's biblical discussions. Kevin saw it. Yeah, because they played it. Yeah, that's right. Because Graham was telling him, oh yeah, that John Myers, that guy with the weird looking beard, ridiculing him, taking the mickey out of him. He's a brother in Christ, is Kevin. We may have a slight disagreement here and there with stuff. He thinks I don't know. Well, I don't know what he thinks. I haven't had a conversation with Kevin in, wasn't even a conversation really. He did come round to my live stream today. He was getting ready for bed, you know. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. I could go to Graham's channel, couldn't I? Because he's got that stream on there. Graham did do a video. I'll just make it easier for myself and click on his latest upload and then find the video from there. Give me a minute. I mean, you can go and find it yourself. This is one on the stupidity of
sorry everyone.
Charlie Tard and his minions. But where's this other video that Graham did? Kevin was in there and it was a live stream, so I'll go there. It's only a day or so. Not that one. No, not that one. Oh yeah, watch that one, Later Flowers, yeah. I was going to watch that one anyway. Before I realised that those two had watched it. Can't find that video where Graham reviewed. What it is, the channel called Sola Scriptura 21. John Myers was in there. Iron Sharpens Iron Beer. And Ryan the Pumpetarian was in there. I wonder if Kevin would be gracious enough to give us a link to that. I'm not into provisionism. I don't agree with this at all. I think it's unnecessary. It's not needed. I wonder if this is it. No, because Kevin was on the left side. This was only a couple of days ago. And it was it this one? Ah, yeah, that's it. There, look. Be careful with these Calvinists. It's up to you what you do. I mean, it doesn't affect me particularly. Just be aware, right, that these people will lie about you, talk about you behind your back, thinking you're not going to come to the channel or watch it all the way through or whatever, which I didn't do. I didn't watch all of it. I think this is a video. Kevin and Graham were in there. It might be this one. Oh, it's probably... I thought it was this one because of that picture there. Oh well, I'll ask Kevin. He might give me a link to it. Let's just have another quick look. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it because this is wasting my time, actually. Well, not wasting my time, it's just... this could be it. Because I watched it all the way through, I think. Mostly. I might have just watched the first bit.
I've just got to let you know I'm really struggling. A lot of things are getting me down and I don't know what to do about them. Knowledge of the truth. We have Michelle.
Yeah, pray for Graham. I don't know what's going on there, do I? Where does Kevin come in? Oh, here he is. Right there. I think this is it.
Man. Frank White dogmatically rejects that God, very, very small, puny, weak, stupid God, just like that.
Christ during this time. And good day. How's it going, Graham?
The pity you can't animate that. Have you
And then,
dancing around.
So it goes on for 2 minutes, and then it ends with a fart noise. And there you go.
Too many potatoes, Kevin.
Too many potatoes.
It's that heavy starch diet that he survives on.
I have a very potato Christmas.
Oh, hilarious.
I'm gonna have fun with that stream.
That was about a year ago.
And my goodness, how many mistakes does Nicholas make now? But now he's digging his heels in.
Yep. Now he
I
doesn't.
don't, you know, why would you bother with Nicholas Proclaimer?
So this is one instance of so what.
The guy is an absolute. Nicholas Proclaimer of Messiah is an absolute cretin. He went into a so-called debate with T-Jump. I'm assuming he paid about $100. It could actually be $150 for the 2 hours. He used up about 40 minutes. Same thing with Lionheart. He paid for a so-called debate with T-Jump. That definitely cost him $150. Stupid. Anyway, I might end the stream here. I'm going to go back to my community tab.
You say extremely abridged version. You want the rest of this news at 11. So I'm in my apartment, minding my own business, washing dishes, and then one day, bam, out of nowhere, God just brings absolute terror into my soul with the past.
Bam!
Passages, Matthew 7, verses 21 to 23. So here I am all my life thinking that I'm good to go. Why? Because I almost became a Mormon, talked to some Mormons last week, and they showed me the way. Okay, they believe in Jesus, so the Jehovah's Witnesses, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so, bam, I'm good to go. But then God said, nope, that's not it. And I wasn't even looking for God. He came to me.
speak
and brought
anything.
absolute terror in my soul. And then from then on, the rest is history. That's the abridged version. So,
Yeah.
I don't understand how you want right there.
The rest at the 11 o'clock news. And God came to me. Moral posturing. The Jehovah's Witnesses, the Mormons, this, that, and the other. Oh, give us a break. This should. Look, I don't like to be ad hominem or anything like that. Calvinism makes you, once you've bought into it, proper, if you can call it that, it just messes your whole reasoning and thinking skills up. Basically turns you into a cretin. And I'm not joking. I'm not trying to say that out of nastiness, but I've noticed it. Apologies for the word, but I am trying to avoid using that, actually. It's just a thingy I'm doing, that's all. So, I'm not going to explain now. So, tag Beckel. I mean, these people have tried to tell me not to tag them. I'll tag this other guy now. He's another Calvinist that was turning up at Praise I Am's channel. I'll leave it. I'll do it later. I'll tag him. There's no big deal, big rush. Yeah, there's a list of stuff. And he hasn't made any more comments. I'm going to thumb that up. No, like self-promotion, I suppose. Yeah, he hasn't added any more comments. These people get stupider. Seriously. Unbelievable. I'm not pretending anything, boy. This guy is toxic. Believe it. I'm not pretending. I don't need to pretend. Sick of these people lying about stuff. That'll do anyway.